Okay, it creates it disturbs our peace, unity of nations, which is going on. These all things are disturbed by terrorists. Okay, violence is spread. Okay, all over the world, violence is spread. Means they are doing bombarding, they are doing firing on the borders, and then why these activities are going on? It is one of the challenge for government. Yes, this activity is done. It is planned and done forcefully. Means last the famous thing which you are knowing, that is Hotel Taj was attacked. Yes, Mumbai bomb blast. Sometimes interest trains in news it is coming that आतंकवाद ने आतंकवाद ने ट्रेन में बॉम्ब गिराया था. Yes, bomb blasting is done. Then attack on Akshardham. These all things you are knowing?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what happens with that nation? We don't have relationship. Okay? Why these things happening? Due to religions, due to languages, they are taking over revenge. In their minds, they are having the revenge that we will take the revenge. They have done these things with us. So terrorists took takes revenge with us, and they are doing bombarding. They are attacking. Yes. So you understood the meaning of terrorism? It is that if we are progressing and they create disturbance in the peace, unity of nations, they don't allow us to unite. Okay? They spread fear, they do violent activities which affect our state or our nations. Yes? So, these are the terrorism is one of the planned activity. Yes, and it is a challenge to the government. This activity is done forcefully. Some of the past things that there was attack in parliament, attack, attack in Hotel Taj, Mumbai bomb blast. It is much common become sometimes they are attack. Sometimes they are doing bomb blast on the borders. Yes, they are coming into Kashmir, and that all things recently we have seen. You know, you are seeing the news or not?
Yes, ma'am. Farmers
You,
have.
so
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Excuse me, ma'am.
Voice is not coming.
now my voice is clear. Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
chalo, who will read?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can
Yes,
I?
start. Give your names, I will tell you.
Terrorism. Ma'am, I'm Shifa Dabani.
Okay, you read. Start reading better. Shifa,
Shifa,
your
your
voice is
voice is
not coming. Shifa,
activities. 1 minute,
Shifa,
ma'am.
your voice is not clear, beta.
Ma'am, now it's clear. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, start. Yes, yes.
Terrorism is a global problem. Terrorist activities are an obstacle in the progress of the nation. Terrorism is an evil process of disturbing the peace, brotherhood, and unity of the nation. Terrorism spreads fear in the people. people through violence and
Yeah.
pure or great is an
Beta,
invented
your
by
voice
a
has
certain
gone.
people in
Shifa, Shifa, your
that
voice has gone, beta.
it is the forced
So, ma'am, can I read?
yes ma'am.
Shifa, your voice is not
Yes,
coming.
Shifa. Shifa, your voice is not coming, so beta, you
Ma'am,
stop
can
it.
I?
Yes, start.
Okay. Terrorism is a global problem. Terrorism activities are an abstract in the program of the nation. Terrorism
Progress.
is an progress, sorry, is an evolved process of disturbing the peace, brotherhood, and unity of the nation. Terrorism spreads fear in a people through violence and hatred. The goal of terrorism is never scared or pure or great. Terrorism is an inhuman act done by a certain group of people in a very planned way. It is the force inject or a bullying, bullying or a being called. First, the tourism activity is a challenge for any government. Tourism is planned activity done forcibly. People are targeted merciless anywhere. Like in the past, there was an attack on a parliament. Hotel Taj was attacked. Mumbai bomb blast. Attack on
Akshardham.
Aksharabadat, etc. No
Akshardham.
relation, Akshardham. No relationship, religion, or a language effect terrorism. Terrorism only have a revenge in their minds.
So I have told you what
Measure.
is terrorism. Terrorism is a
Yeah.
global problem. Problem. It affects the progress of nation. It's it is the process where they start disturbance, where there is peace, they disturb us, they target some of the people mercilessly, and it is done forcefully in group. Sometimes by violently they do it. These things all affects they don't have, then our nation will be not having relationship with that nation, then religion problem, language problem, these all things are affecting terrorists. Okay, they take
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am left.
वैल्यूशन मैप कहाँ चलेगा?
मुझे बता के थोड़ी गए थे, तो मुझे क्या पता। हेलो मैम।
Girls, you can hear my voice.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
So now who will read the measures? Girls, I am asking you.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am, I
I
will
will.
read.
Who will read? You decide
Ma'am,
it.
Tanveen.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I.
start.
Ma'am, I. We have to face it bravely and discard cover in order to face delusions. The intelligence building of a nation. मैम प्लीज आप एडिट को आप कर डाल लेना, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. Okay. And of the nation should be a strong enough permanent leading cooperation towards the security forces has to improve. Common people have to be very alert in a people or a COVID, COVID
Crowded
place
places.
or crowded places. They should keep themselves away from the flesh advances and rodents creating panic. Security should keep themselves away from the flesh, no, no, from the flesh advance and rodents create. The
Wait,
security force should be well operated with CCTV camera and a middle
wait.
deterrence.
So what happened? Which are the measures
Yes, ma'am.
taken by us? So uh, all the places there is CCTV camera. Okay, they have kept CCTV camera where there is crowd, where there is public place. So people, common people, have to be alert that no rumors or no false advertisement, and that all things should be spread over all over the world, which create panic. Then, when you are going to the railway stations, yes, you see in entrance there is checking done. Yes or no, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are going to the railway stations, okay, in entrance you have security kept, they are doing checking. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these all
Yes, ma'am.
steps these all steps means awareness regarding cooperation also has been spread to the through security force, and they are improving that all things. So these all are the steps which help us to stop the terrorists to attack our nation. Okay, next paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Apart from this, various other challenges faced by the nation, such as the orthodox nature of a people, communication, relationship, bond, related problems, and rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. After a natural disaster, you have to study in a detail about risk, Try to know the possible measure of this problem through your teacher.
So again, the next challenge is the people, those who are, those nature is orthodox mind, okay? Those who are living in villages and sometimes they are speaking that due to this, these things are happening. This all things are stopped by the people. They are, our government employees are helping us. They are spreading the awareness to the people that this thing should not be done by us, okay? So and in next, that is natural disasters means earthquake, then famine, flood, all these things are coming. For that also measure steps are taken. Yes, so understood this chapter, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt related to this chapter?
No, ma'am.
So I have asked one question
No, ma'am.
in second lecture of this chapter, that how much how much increase is there in population by 2020? No one has given me answer. Who has
What,
find out?
ma'am?
And I have given some questions that how much population was increased by 2020. I have given that question.
Yes.
Who has find out? Anyone? Girls.
બેટા એક્ઝામ નજીક આવે છે ને તમારી તૈયારી લાગતી નથી મને એવું લાગે છે. મેમ જે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે છે આન્સર નથી આપી શકતા બરાબર, તો એવું લાગે છે કે તમારી તૈયારી નથી બેટા. પ્લીઝ થોડાક સિરિયસ થાઓ, એક્ઝામ નજીક આવે છે અને રેગ્યુલર હોમવર્ક કરો, રીડિંગ કરો રેગ્યુલર, એકસાથે બધું ભેગું ના થઈ જાય.
Say yes or no, girls.
No, ma'am, no.
So when you will find this answer? Tomorrow you will tell me and tell me.
Yes,
Okay,
It is for
ma'am.
your general knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So which are the internal problems faced by India? Which are the internal problems faced by India?
There is
Shirley.
overcorruption,
Only
poverty.
one, only one, only one. Conan, you speak.
lit-
Which are the internal problems faced by India?
ma'am,
Sorry?
who will speak?
Con- Your voice is not coming clearly, beta. What you are speaking?
She is asking who will speak.
Conan, I have told Conan. Conan?
She is not answering.
Okay, then who will answer me?
Taman-
Tamanna, okay. Tamanna will answer.
Overpopulation, literacy, inflation, poverty, unemployment, corruption, terrorism, communalism. Ma'am said
not coming. Okay. So what is the meaning of population? What
What, ma'am?
population? What is the meaning of overpopulation?
मतलब the number of humans are more. ज़्यादा हो गए.
Number of people. Yes. Okay. What is the meaning of poverty?
Poverty means like that basic needs.
People doesn't the basic needs such as food, water.
Yes.
Clothing, which, yes, it means poor in simple language.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the meaning of unemployed person? Delisha, you will not speak.
Okay,
Wait.
ma'am.
Mahik. Mahik. Unmute your mic. Mahik
Yes,
Sheikh. What is the meaning of unemployed person? Yesterday only I have taught you in lecture. You were present?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I know, I
Then
remember.
Sakina
Okay, ma'am.
Noorani. Sakina Noorani. Unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
What is unemployment person?
Uh, Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What is an unemployed person?
Ma'am, can I?
ma'am can.
No. Sakina, you are knowing the answer or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then you see it, that topic.
Okay.
Zainab Malkani. Zainab, unmute your mic. Zainab, Modesa Farista. Unmute your mic. Modesa,
Yes, ma'am.
what is an unemployed person? You are knowing the answer or not?
जिसके पास जॉब ना हो उस.
Okay. Can you speak in English? Can you speak in English? Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Do not have job.
Yes. Yes. In if you are asked in question answers, you can write it that way. A person who is above 18, the person who is above 18 and is willing or capable for doing the job, but he doesn't get a job, is called an unemployed person. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Which are the measures taken by which are the policies and plans prepared by government for unemployed person? Which are the measures taken by them? Girls?
Ma'am, he will.
Hmm?
Ma'am, repeat the question.
for an unemployed person. Shelter for the economically backward at all points.
Ma'am,
Delisha, you are knowing
have
the answer or not?
ma'am, I know that.
What?
मैम मैं बोलूँ
Yes, speak.
government is giving them food for the whole month and necessary needs.
It is this steps were taken for poverty. We are drinking water, free education, cleanliness, mobile and medical services, encouragement in cottage industry. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so you all are not reading the chapter. Yes, na? Girls, what is inflation? What is inflation? Who will speak? What is inflation?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The increase in price of like essential commodities and other necessities is called inflation.
Yes. Then, what is corruption and why it is told that corruption is a black spot or dark spot on the development of our nation?
Means corruption means dishonest
Criminal.
behavior by those in positions of power. And
Person has to pay more money.
yes, if like it is of
Yes.
800, so uh, shopkeeper told no, so he will give
They have to
1,000
pay
rupees
1,000.
and yes, and he will take it.
Yes. Okay. So which message was spread by the government? Only one line. Yesterday I have explained you.
Accepting and offering bribe both are a crime.
Yes. Good. Okay. Which are the effects of corruption?
Like inflation, slow human development, and breach of faith,
Corruption leads to
vil-
effect
violation
of
of human rights, hindrance to the
it leads
development of
to
the
ill
nation, lack of trust in law, encouragement to nepotism.
Okay. Good. Then, what is illiteracy and who is known as a literate person? Delisha, you will not speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know that
Okay, Sakina Noorani, speak.
ma'am can I
a person who is educated is known as a literate person.
Yes. And what is an illiterate person?
Uneducated person is known as illiterate person.
Okay. So for that, which steps were taken by government?
Uh, Government started a scholarship
School and college. Yes.
and midday meal
Yes.
and
Uh,
right to education was come into
Ma'am,
Mahin,
your voice.
unmute your mic.
In which year RT, Right to Education, was implemented?
2009.
Okay, nice. Then what is terrorism? Just now only we have learned. What is terrorism? Who will speak?
It is an inhuman act done by people.
It is a global problem.
Yes. So in past, which places were attacked by terrorists?
What, ma'am?
In past, which places were attacked by terrorists?
Parliament, Hotel Taj, then local train on
Yes. In Mumbai.
Akshardham, then
Akshardham.
Akshardham, then Mumbai
Okay.
share market.
Okay, nice. So, how much percentage how much percentage of people in Gujarat are below the poverty line? Bushra. Bushra, unmute your mic.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Bushra, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
How much percentage of people in Gujarat are below poverty line? You are knowing the answer, Bushra?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. No, it's
14.7.
14.7.
okay. What is BPL? What is the meaning of BPL? Which people are known as below poverty line?
Below poverty line, BPS.
BPL. Tamanna. Tamanna, unmute your
Ma'am,
mic
can
and
I?
answer.
Ma'am, can I?
APL means below poverty line.
Okay. Alvina, you speak. Which people are known as below poverty line?
Ma'am, can I?
Alvina.
Yes, ma'am.
Tamanna.
No, Alvina. Speak the answer. Alvina, unmute your mic and speak the answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
You are referring the topic?
Ma'am,
You are knowing the answer or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Tamanna.
ma'am, can I? Shifa, ma'am.
Below poverty
She.
means that poor, the not have money and not have food to eat. So the
Yes.
people are
The
below
children.
poverty line.
Ma'am, can
The
I?
children. Proper definition I want.
The children, the child labor is done. They do not get nutritious food. They are illiterate.
They live in unhygienic.
Children smaller than age are doing work.
They do not have place to.
Ma'am, basic necessities like food, clothing, shelter, employment, and medical facilities as termed as poverty.
Okay,
Ma'am
good.
is
So in next lecture, we will start with the next chapter.